What is going on YouTube? Hannah back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Clearly, we're going to be focusing mainly on the XRP chart for today because we managed to break through a massive descending fractal that's been forming on XRP for many days now. And we've been in a short position, not today, unfortunately, but we've been in a short position for quite some time, shorting the coin, as you guys can see on the daily charts, in a descending fractal formation here until this morning where we decided to break through this major resistance, which however we were expecting, and that's why we've been saying to keep that stop loss tight if you've been following the channel and watched yesterday's and the day before and the previous day's video, because we've been in a descending fractal or descending triangle for quite some time now on XRP on the weekly charts here. And as you guys can clearly tell, the short position we entered was right here when we got rejected off the downtrend and the top of the weekly moving average here, and we shorted this Sunday night at 84 cents, and we had a target set right at 71 cents, if not even lower, but a target at this bottom support of this moving average here. And that's where we've been moving the stop loss slowly down to, just to lock in the profits in case we decided to reverse back up, which is exactly what's happening now. As you guys can clearly tell, in the past here, we tend to see, and I can show you guys this right now, that XRP has in the past wicked and bounced off this bottom support, this green band here on the weekly, and swing back upwards. And this has happened on numerous occasions. Here we go again. Just a couple weeks ago, we hit the bottom support here, wicked above it, closed, and reversed back up. And here we are again doing the same thing. And this is why we've been so hesitant to buy back into XRP in case we decided to close the weekly back above here. Had we actually closed Sunday night, which is still possible, we have 2 days left, but if we closed the weekly below this level, closed at about 68 cents on the weekly, we'd know to short this with expectations of us pulling back down to 59 cents, or at least moving our stop losses down, depending on whether we had a current position open or we were going to be opening a new position on XRP. But with the fact that we just bounced off this bottom support here, if we close in the next 2 days above this major support level here, then we have to really reevaluate our positions, because right now I've been stopped out, so we have to just kind of figure out what's going on right now within XRP. But it's pretty incredible to see the major pump right now that's forming within XRP, and how this pump could be foreshadowing previous or future movements within some of the other major cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, which is in a massive descending fractal that could at any point, these usually tend to have a bullish bias, after they fill in the gap here, hit the point, and then swing back up, which is what we're expecting to happen within Ethereum. Same thing applies itself with Bitcoin, which happened to hit a major bottom support right here, this uptrend, as you can see, and the prices have consistently and consecutively bounced off and swung higher consistently. And here we are again retesting the support with expectations of seeing the same movement to the upside as well. The S&P 500, we're not going to see movement today because I believe today is Good Friday, so we're not going to see it today, tomorrow, Sunday, and we're going to see the markets open Monday. So some pretty weird stuff is probably going to happen for us within cryptocurrency, with the markets being closed today and waiting for Monday morning. With that being said, guys, remember, we are still doing our completely free crypto coin display giveaway. All you have to do to win one of these bad boy free crypto coin displays that we have in all of our videos, you can see it right here in, the lights in the background, that's it, is just comment your favorite cryptocurrency down below, whether it's Solana, Algorand, XRP. You don't even have to like XRP, but you can, win one of these for free. Whatever it is, let me know in the comments down below, as well as comment subscribe. This is how I know that you are subscribed. I will also be checking and seeing if your account is subscribed to mine. If you're not subscribed, you will obviously not win one of these when I do the drawing on Sunday, so stay tuned for Sunday's video in 2 days. But with that being said, guys, today's video is brought to us by Stoic, which is actually a really cool sponsor. As you guys can see, Stoic is an automated crypto investing while you live, sleep, dream, whatever it is. But Stoic is a way to actually invest in the markets, as you guys can see here. Stoic is a simple automated crypto trading app with hybrid intelligence, which is really cool. And it shows you your diversified portfolio and how you can invest, which I really like to see here. They have altcoin strategies from the hedge fund team, as you guys can see here. And there's a lot of really cool information as to how they trade, which we'll go over at the end of today's episode. With that being said, guys, definitely make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's episode. So guys, as you can see right here, a quick refresh of the top 10 cryptocurrency reveals that it's just XRP that's managed to explode up today. Now, I am positive that if you Google search XRP news, you will find some sort of news article that leads to the breakout that we're having right now, which is fine. It's whatever. It always happens with all the breakouts that we've seen within the entire crypto space here. But regardless, our technical indicators and, our previous videos, we've mentioned very much so specifically that XRP was definitely due to have a possible break to the upside here. Not only did we obviously hit at bottom support, not only were we oversold on the daily charts here, we've been tracking this breakdown for quite some time now. The past couple of days here, you can see, if I just zoom us out a little bit, you can see the lower high formation that's been forming here. We hit the bottom, expected target. We anticipated this to hit here. I didn't expect to see a run this big this quickly here, but we were expecting to see us reverse upwards because of the fact that the weekly charts showed a major support level. As you guys can see, we've been trading inside this weekly moving average for many weeks now, and the fact was that we did hit and we shorted this to the target down to 71 cents. We expected the prices to hit this. We actually wicked lower, which is surprising, but here we are correcting back to the upside here. So we've managed to put a stop loss in much lower, around 73 cents. And we've actually been able to short XRP from 84 cents down to 73 cents. And then we got stopped out, which is totally fine on BitYard. This was just in case, obviously, if we continued to head lower. And as you guys can see right now, we are starting to reverse up. So now that we've been stopped out, we have to consider how are we going to start moving around for the next couple of days? And when should we buy back into XRP? It's a great question. Well, here's my thought right now. So because we got stopped out, which is totally fine, we obviously managed to make a ton of profit shorting from XRP, shorting at 5x from 84 cents down to 73 cents here. We've been waiting patiently to see how the weekly candle decides to close at the end of this week. That's what we've been waiting for every single day this past week in anticipation to see, hey, are we going to close this weekly candle below the weekly moving average here? Just like this, that would determine we'd probably continue the correction down to 59 cents because that's where bottom support is. And we would keep our short position open and move the stop loss down. The reason we didn't just jump right in to XRP had we have not already bought into, XRP. So for people that were looking for an opportunity to buy back in, I've said hold off. And the reason I wouldn't buy back in on here is because you might have missed out on the run because we've been retesting this major support here. There's a very big chance that we could swing back up, which is exactly what happened, above the moving average and close the weekly much higher than this bottom support here. And that's what's happening right now. So obviously we still have the rest of today, Saturday and Sunday to determine where the XRP markets are going to be moving to. But for right now, we're clammed right in between this moving average here, which is not a good sign to be buying in anytime soon. So now moving forward, how we're going to have to address the next buying opportunity for XRP is with this downtrend right here and the green band on the moving average like that. That's what this formulates here. We may swing back up to here, which would offer a buy-in opportunity to short if we close below or buy in long if we swing above. And also you have the moving average right here, the top here. However, this decides to form. So really what we're looking at are buy-in opportunities above the red band to swing in long for a long position here, or below the green band to short down to 59 cents and, take profits on that. So hopefully that makes sense to you guys. That's how I'm going to determine my next buying opportunity conservatively for XRP. Obviously, I will enter that trade on BitYard. For those that aren't familiar with BitYard, they are the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging website that I like to use here on the channel because they offer XRP, which is super cool. They've been around for over 2 years and I've had no issues with them whatsoever. We obviously were in this downtrend here that you can draw on, and you can see why that position just ended here. We had our resistance here. We had our bottom support just like this. And this is how we've been tracking basically this downtrend on XRP's weekly here. So moving forward, what we're going to be looking at to buy into XRP is if we manage to hit this top resistance and close the weekly below here, we have expectations of a dip. If we hit this and close above here, we have expectations of a run. Then obviously we would put in a much lower leverage opportunity here just so we can stay in the markets longer, and then type in a market order, the amount of margin that we want, and then either click buy long or sell short. And that's how we would go around trading XRP. Now, guys, remember, if you are new to BitYard, definitely make sure to sign up and click the mystery box here. Get your free cryptocurrency super easy. And then they also have daily mining and a demo account if you guys want to practice your trading. Now, moving forward to the other cryptocurrencies here, Ethereum has also been forming a major descending fractal that we've been tracking for quite some time now. It's having problems breaking through its moving average right here, but we are paying a close eye on how Ethereum trades compared to XRP, because as you guys know, XRP XRP has this major descending fractal, and because we broke above this downtrend here, it opened a good buying opportunity. Now, vice versa, Ethereum is doing a very similar pattern here. If we manage to break through these moving averages and break through the downtrend here, we could buy in and expect to see markets recover and swing to the upside. Now, ideally, I don't know, but we might get the answer in the next couple of days. We might actually trend sideways out of this conservatively due to the fact that, the stock market is closed and won't be open until Monday here. And then we could maybe buy in and see that run. Same thing applies itself with Bitcoin. As you guys can see, we've been held up by this uptrend right here, and we know very much so that a short would obviously be entered if we close below this uptrend right here. We close below this level right here. We see the price of Bitcoin pulled down to like 38K. We're shorting this. We are expecting to see a big dump, and vice versa if we start to swing back upwards and we can break through this resistance that you can clearly see is capped right at about 41.85, then we would be buying in long and expecting to see markets swing to the upside here. I'd probably buy in once we break through this top moving average here. Otherwise, that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video. I know we've been all over the place, but this XRP trade and the markets have been kind of wonky the past couple of days, but hopefully that helped clarify some stuff, and we'll go a little bit more in depth in this tomorrow. With that being said, I do want to talk more about Stoic.ai with you. I want to give a huge shout out to Stoic for sponsoring today's episode. As with all cryptocurrency projects, please do your own research and never invest anything you can't afford to lose. So guys, Stoic helps investors to alleviate the unnecessary anxiety in a volatile market. And with over 13,700 users on the platform and over $115 million in assets on current user accounts, Stoic is actually able to help assist the inexperienced who want to put their assets under competent and professional control in order to not lose them. Now guys, as we know, the risk of making the wrong decision in a moment of crisis is very high, and that's why Stoic is here to help ensure investors with stability. Now, Stoic is a simple cryptocurrency trading app that allows users to connect their Binance accounts to a hedge fund grade quantitative trading strategy. While most other cryptocurrency trading bots require the user to build and fine-tune a strategy, Stoic actually works right after it's linked to a Binance account. And it's also very easy to get started with Stoic, and all you need to do is install the mobile app or sign up for the web app, create an API key for a verified Binance account, and then just scan the QR code with the app. And after that, the strategy starts to run in about 24 hours. Also to note, Stoic only charges an annual fee of 5% of the user's starting balance. However, the minimum required balance is $1,000, so the actual lowest fee would be around $50. Now guys, Stoic is very simple, and under the hood it runs on a trading algorithm that was initially developed for a hedge fund and built by a team behind the hedge fund syndicator Capital. The Stoic app is the result of years of experience in cryptocurrency trading. Now since 2016, Syndicator has collected millions of cryptocurrency forecasts from over 180,000 users registered on its platform, and Syndicator then applies AI to these forecasts to further increase the accuracy. And all this data was used to develop and test dozens of quantitative cryptocurrency strategies. Most importantly, Stoic's algorithm helps users get rid of emotional biases in their trading. And the algorithm analyzes previous returns, price volatility, correlation with other assets, and other factors to identify the assets that are rising and are likely to continue to go up. Now, Stoic then increases the weightings for such assets, and the algorithm also estimates the probability of the asset going down. And if it statistically looks like the price has peaked, Stoic actually sells the assets or at least decreases its share in the portfolio. And any potential user should understand that Stoic's strategy does not guarantee profits as anything else. However, it does its best to help the user reap the maximum benefits of the rising cryptocurrency market. And as a long-only strategy with no shorting, Stoic works best in a bull market. So guys, Stoic's built-in hedge function aims to soften the impact of market sell-offs. And as a hedge, Stoic holds a portion of the portfolio in USDT stablecoins, and this helps to reduce the magnitude of a drawdown in case of corrections. And after corrections, this provides Stoic with the funds to enter positions at heavy discounts. So guys, Stoic's past performance is fully transparent and is available in the demo mode right after signing up. Now guys, if you want to learn more about Stoic, feel free to download their mobile app or check out their website, which I did link down in the description below. Otherwise, huge shout out to Stoic.ai for sponsoring today's episode. As always, make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.